So how's your foot feeling today?
Good.
Does it feel okay in that shoe?
Yeah. Maybe I will run again.
You will run again before you know it. Right?
Yeah.
What you doing today?
Good.
How old are you?
11.
When was your birthday? It's August.
28.
You're right. What do you think of your trick candles?
Not very nice.
Why?
Because I went on the option.
What'd they do?
Strawberry walk.
They kept lighting up.
Yeah.
You had to keep blowing and blowing and blowing.
Yeah.
You know Mamie got those?
Yeah. Not very
The overall, did you have a good birthday?
Yeah. Do you know I will have one birthday and I will be 17.
What kind of car are you gonna get?
Lambo.
What color?
Green.
What are you gonna name it?
Car to share.
What's it gonna do?
Maybe I will get a real like Cleetus McFarland, where it could go burn out and do what donuts. Get mad if I hit his stuff.
Well, maybe he could teach you how to do burnouts.
Will he be mad if I speed off and do like a burnout?
I hope one day that we get to take you to the Freedom Factory
What, to do burnouts?
to watch Cleetus.
What if we do what we do burnouts and it's real boy? Hope we don't get mad.
If you had one wish, what would your wish be?
Get a real boy?
And Leroy?
Yeah.
Who's Leroy?
The car, the Cleetus McFarland, and the Ruby.
If Cleetus McFarland could hear this message right now, what would you like to say to him?
People let me do burnouts in this car.
If Cleetus said, "Hell yeah, brother, Team Trenton," what would you say back?
Hell yeah, burger. YouTube channel.
Say, have a good day from Indiana.